Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications from chosen apps on this smartphone. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down and choose Notifications and Control Center. Following that, click on App Notifications and select one of your apps, like Gmail. Now, when I click on the switcher next to it, as you can see, all notifications from Gmail are now blocked. If you wish to enable them, just click on the same switcher. You can also just tap on one of your apps and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!